In this video, we will understand how to make garments ready automatically, or in other words, how to disable service workflow. Now, why do we need to disable a service workflow? For an example, you have a mini store and all the garments are processed in the store itself. No garments are going outside of store to a vendor or a workshop. You have a very less workload and there is no need to track any garment. Or maybe you don't want to track garment in different or multiple stages. In another example, you have a service and that particular service take very less time and you do not want to track it through multiple stages. And perfect example would be alteration. Alteration normally takes a less time when it compares to dry cleaning or other services. So you maybe or you don't want to track different stages of garments if a garment is processed for alteration. Now, we will move to super admin and understand how to configure services so the garments are moved to ready stages automatically. Log on to super admin, access the services screen from master services. Here from the list of services, click on a service that you want to edit. I am clicking on alteration. Now, to edit the workflow, we need to click on this link, view edit service workflow. Here, there are 4 different options. I am selecting the 4th one, the ready stage. Now, click on save. When I click on save, it will ask me whether I would like to apply the same settings on this particular service on all the stores, same workflow for all the stores, or I just want it for one store. So I am selecting for all. Click on save, click on update. Service workflow is updated. Now we will move to the store edition and try to create an order for alteration. I am logged in to the store module. Here I am creating an order for alteration. I'm selecting a shirt for and specifying some quantity. Click on add to order and save. This order is saved. Now, as we can see, we have 2 shirts for alteration. If I go to the home screen and then search for the order, now if we check the same order on delivery screen, we will see that these 2 shirts are already ready. Their status is already ready. So this way you can mark a service or maybe all services ready automatically, and this will help you bypass garment stages on a single service or maybe on all the services. I hope it helps. Thank you.